Okay, this has been a level 2 walk around. The times that I had there.
What's going on with the truckers? Man, all I gotta say is this is the craziest thing I've ever seen, because how many of you have had a level 2 inspection or inspection at a weigh station and it was just an horrible experience? My guy living life as a pickle, subscribe to his channel. I have all links down below. Video credits go to him as well. Was out in Missouri at the only weigh station. He gets pulled over by DOT officer Mr. Greer.
Paul, how long you been a DOT?
6 years.
Really? What's your name?
Greer.
Greer?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being cool.
Yeah, that's no problem, man.
And here's the thing. He actually gets shut down, put out of service, but it was one of the nicest conversations he's ever had.
And you're going to be on YouTube. And you know how we like to do bad cop, good cop.
Yeah,
you're one of the good ones.
Well, I appreciate that.
So
I appreciate it. I mean, I try to be reasonable. Like
you treat people how you want to be treated.
And most truckers are very reasonable.
Yeah.
I know this is mind-blowing right here. Like, you get shut down, put out of service, but you're still in a good mood.
Which one is it?
See how dark it is? That's the first thing I can tell from it.
That's a brand new tire.
Yeah, I know. Good, but hopefully we caught it before the...
That's the 5th time that mother...
Or if it's a bad valve stem or something. Or...
I don't know. I just got out of stuff yesterday for it.
Man. I could tell when I saw how dark it was, I said, uh-oh. But then when I kicked it, of course.
I'm not out of service, am I?
Yeah, unfortunately, yeah.
God.
I mean, all I gotta say is, more DOT officers, pay attention to this man right here, because I would say this is professionalism. Mother truckers, tell me what your thoughts about this are, truly what they are, because I don't know what to think about this, because a side of me is like, this guy's pointing out everything and putting me out of service, and the other part is, he makes a lot of sense, and he's being extremely respectful.
A few different things.
Like what?
No brake lights is the reason I pulled you in.
No brake lights.
You want to go look and I'll hit the brake for you real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got me for that for the last time.
But see, if that keeps happening, and I had a guy that had this last week, I got him the day after he got an inspection and got hit in Platte City. He had an electrical problem. I told him, I said, you need to get somebody to look at the wiring, and what they found under the trailer.
It's the truck, because last time you got me for that, remember? A while back, it was the same thing.
Yeah. Either there's an electrical problem in the truck, or in his case, the wire went through the grommet on the trailer, a bare spot. So he hit a bounce, and it didn't short out and blow the fuse.
So that was all it, just tiring the thing.
Locking pins, I think your locking pins are engaged. Trailer. Look under there. None of them are. None of them are.
I always do that before I go.
Yeah, none of them have locked. They'll make us put it down, but of course it'll be easy enough for you to fix that.
Yeah, I just pull up.
Exactly. I need to look at your fire extinguisher triangles, then we'll look at your logs.
What's that?
Why probably have one of them? I thought about one of them myself.
You need to get one.
I don't know if they'll let us do it unless
You're a public official, so you're able to do it. It's all law enforcement will require it.
They're talking about signing, okay?
Law enforcement, because it's tired of saying that he said, she said, and you can edit it, but you can tell if it has been edited.
All right.
And so,
I have one old man that comes here, he's a farmer, hateful.
Oh yeah.
I've never done anything to him. I don't know what his problem is.
He don't like law enforcement, sounds like.
Well, I don't know, because my supervisor said, oh, he's a real nice guy, so maybe he's
maybe he just don't like you.
Or he's just a little racist.
know,
place
it's
up-
2022. We need to get rid of this great
He's
stuff.
from up in Ravensville,
Oh, okay.
Ravenswood, or whatever the place is called. And I know another guy from there. Someone said, it's kind of one of those type of places.
Yeah.
So he might be one of them types. I keep an eye on it.
Right.
But something like that would be good.
Oh yeah, because you
Because
can.
I came up to him, just like I brushed you,
Oh,
said,
yeah.
sir, can I get this completely nasty?
Because you're always.
Well, then he talked about calling my supervisor, so I called the supervisor first and said, look, he said, that guy's really nice. Are you sure you didn't get? I said, no, I don't get right here getting rude with people
Yep.
for no reason.
Oh, I know.
I'll have you hop up in there and then we'll take a look at you.
What's the log?
Thought they didn't have to have them.
Yeah, I just got out of the shop. I've been in the shop for 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. So hold on just a second.
No,
Just a way.
no, you said you wanted to see it now.
You have the Keep Trucking. I like that one. Okay.
Yeah, I've been.
You have 10, or you have all your time because you just left St. Joe's.
Yeah.
So.
That's what pisses me off.
Yeah, I know. But I'm glad we caught this stuff, though.
No.
So you don't get crunched out there.
Well, I don't wanna. Who pays attention to it, anyways? You know. I mean, we use it.
Yeah.
Most of us. And if you do, then oh no, he's coming over. I don't want to be behind him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so slow.
Yeah.
I can go 80, but I don't. But
Yeah, see, you've been off all that time, haven't you?
yep.
Okay, we'll go ahead and give you that back.
No.
All right, I'm going to have you hit your brakes until your low air warning stays on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't say push.
Okay, that'll work. Oh, it did rain last night. They may not want you out there to mess with the tire out there.
Where?
I'll probably just leave you here
Okay.
rather than try to get between those guys or out in
Yeah.
the mud. I'll bring the paperwork out to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. This has been a level 2 walk around. The times that I had there. I did change that now to written.
Okay. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, you're still talking?
No, I can do both.
Okay. I'll probably need them.
I'm on what to take, right?
Okay. Go ahead and keep talking to them. I can wait for a second or two.
Okay.
No problem.
So, what else did you need? Hello? I don't know where I'm at.
It's about 5 miles east of St. Joe.
5 miles east of St. Joe on 36. Yeah. The only scale out here.
Yeah.
How's my weight?
What's that?
My weight was good?
Hey, I didn't see anything with that at all. That caused me.
So just look. Yeah. What's the scale called? What's the scale called?
It's just H3 East scale.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it is a relay because he got me for that last time. And bring some gas in a big can, and I got lighter, and so we can deal with that too. I'll make sure I'll unhook and we'll do that. We'll have a great bonfire. Keep them warm.
We had one that happened with a poor guy carrying Triumph.
All right. Thanks. Yeah, later.
The trooper told me the pork smelled good until the diesel started burning.
Oh, I know.
I-35 about 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, the violations were 2 left inside tire was flat at 12 psi, the locking pins, then the brake lights. Those were, of course, on unit 2, and this was on 1. So what you'll do before you give to your company is you'll sign.
No.
You are the company?
No.
Oh.
I just don't want it.
I bet. Okay, and then when they fix the tire and the brake lights, they'll fill out that top line.
Okay.
You have somebody on the way, do you?
Yeah, that's who I called. How long you been a DOT?
6 years.
Really? What's your name?
Greer.
Greer?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being cool.
Yeah, that's no problem, man. It's not.
And you're going to be on YouTube. And you know how we like to do bad cop, good cop.
Yeah,
You're one of the good ones.
Well, I appreciate that.
So
I appreciate it. I mean, I try to be reasonable. Like I said,
yeah.
but
You treat people how you want to be treated.
And most truckers are very reasonable.
Yeah.
The guy the other day, he's the exception.
Right.
Fortunately.
Right.
I'm glad I didn't use his name though.
We'll blast him. How about that? What's his name? We'll blast him.
I better not do that.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I wish I could, but I better not do that. I don't know what his problem is, to be honest.
Well, most of us can't be doing
He
this.
might be that way. Someone suggested that, so.
I'm a real butthead. If you push my button.
Well, but that's different though. That's understandable.
Yeah, if you push my buttons, I'll push back. I don't tolerate.
Since he was an old man, I didn't really get as vocal as but I did tell him, okay, if you want to argue, just pull over here for inspection. I did tell him that.
Yeah.
But then I ended up not inspecting because his brake lights came back on.
Right.
Hard to say though.
All right. You want to look at my thing? It's fixed.
No, I could hear him pop in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I could hear him.
See, you're good.
I can hear him pop.
You're really good.
A lot of them give citations for that, but I don't because
But if you don't give it, it's still on us. That's what's messed up.
Well, I had one woman, I did have to give her a citation because she said she knew it and was fully loaded.
How?
And I said, why would you? Well, I couldn't find any place to pull over. I said, no.
You do that before?
Yeah, I said there is no couldn't find a place for something like that.
When you pick it up, you do it.
Yeah. So you didn't know.
Because what I do, I roll and then I pull it and it'll lock it in. That's what I did, and I did that.
Somehow
and
it got just in between the.
Yeah. I did that, and I know I should have went back there and looked like you're supposed to, but
yeah.
Every time you're once in a hurry,
exactly.
You get fucked up,
yep,
and I get to talk to you.
Yeah. Well, at least we caught before there was any problems.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to go in there and
start a bonfire.
No, it does sound good though, especially if they're ribs.
I know. Oh yeah. All right, boss.
All right.
Have a good one.
You too. Take it easy.
Later. Thanks. Do I have to come back to you when they?
Nope. Once they sign off and show that the repair's been made, you're good to go.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Have a good one.